Hello everyone, this is Jirbie, your certified aromatherapist, graduate of New York Institute of Aromatic Studies, and for today we will be talking about Palo Santo. If you've never heard about this oil, then please keep watching. Okay, so today we will be comparing two Palo Santos. That's gonna be from Young Living and from Eden's Garden. So if you want to get to know more about this oil and experience it, don't forget to join me on my sniff sesh tomorrow. That's January 23rd, Saturday morning, and we will be talking about Palo Santo along with sweet orange and cypress. Okay, so before anything else, let me just read through the description or the things about Palo Santo just to get everyone on the same page, alright? Palo Santo comes from the same botanical family as frankincense, although it is found in South America. Like frankincense, Palo Santo is known as a spiritual oil. Actually, I know Palo Santo to be something that's cleansing to the house. So if you've bought a new house, for example, or you're moving into a new space and you want to cleanse the house, or if you want to cleanse the space or cleanse the air in that space, you normally use Palo Santo for that. And normally, people from the province or locals, they use actual Palo Santo leaves or Palo Santo sticks, smudge sticks as they call it. So they burn that and then just spread the smoke in the air like an incense. Okay? So now in the modern times, we actually have these essential oils and we just diffuse it if you want to cleanse the air. Okay, so Palo Santo is known as a spiritual oil with a deep-rooted tradition in which it was used by the Incas to purify and cleanse the air of negative energies and for good luck. So that's what I've been saying earlier. It is used in South America to repel mosquitoes. I've never really tried using this for mosquitoes simply because this is so expensive for that. I'd rather use citronella or lemongrass for mosquitoes, for fevers, infections, and skin diseases. It is currently used by shamans of the Andes in curing ceremonies. Even its Spanish name reflects how highly this oil was regarded. Palo Santo means holy or sacred wood. Okay, so I'm very curious on the difference. I love Palo Santo. I love the smell of it. I actually got this bottle for my natural perfume class a few years back. So I have like a tiny bit remaining. I'm having a hard time letting it go because it smells so gorgeous. It's one of my favorite oils. It's really expensive, but I really love the smell of Palo Santo. And that's why I've kept it. This is normally used in the fragrance industry as well. That's why this is one of the oils that we used in our essential oil perfumery class, which I will be having a rerun this February. So I'll be putting the poster here. And if you're interested to learn how to concoct your own essential oil perfume, don't forget to sign up. The price includes your class kit, so everything that you need will be there. And I'm very much excited to run that class again with you guys. Okay? Alright, so uses. Normally, Palo Santo is used for inflammation, for regrowth of knee cartilage, really? For joints, arthritis, rheumatism, gout, respiratory problems, reduces airborne contaminants when diffused. So it's actually a cleansing air. It has high limonene content, so it's very relaxing. Great for anxiety, depression, stress, which works well because when I sniff Palo Santo, it really makes me feel so relaxed, so calm. I really love the smell of this. And today we will be comparing it with Eden's Garden Palo Santo. So let's smell them side by side. Oh, I really love it. So good. I think they're just head to head. Not one is better than the other for me. But they're not exactly the same. They encapsulate different notes, but they're of the same range. Like both of them are very airy and in a way it cradles you. Like it cradles you into comfort. Not one is more heavy than the other or more musky than the other. Both of them smells amazing for me. Oh, so good. smells very clean, airy, and comforting at the same time. And yeah, so I'm very much excited to talk more about this Saturday morning, and we will be talking about this side by side, sweet orange and cypress. The way I choose the oils for my sniff sesh is that I make sure that the oils we will be talking about blends well together. So should you wish to buy all of these oils, you can actually use them in a diffuser recipe and they will go well together. By the way, don't forget to join us tomorrow on our January Sniff Sesh. I'll actually be giving away these 2 essential oils from Young Living. So that's 15 ml of your lemon essential oil, everybody's favorite, and the 5 ml of peppermint from Young Living. All the attendees for tomorrow's January Sniff Sesh will have the chance to bring these home. So 2 winners, 1 bottle each. I hope you guys would win. And if you plan to join our succeeding Sniff Sesh, you may do so. Sign up for February Sniff Sesh is already ongoing. But if you don't have all the oils for tomorrow, replay is accessible for all the participants up to 1 week. So if you're receiving your oils at a later time, don't worry, you still have a chance to catch up and hear the discussion through the replay. Okay, so that's my bit about Palo Santo. If you're curious to try it, please do. It's really nice. I really love it. Young Livings, of course, would cost so much more. You can try out Eden's Garden or Plant Therapy or other brands. I really like it. Plus, Palo Santo is actually safe for kids. So it says here it's okay for kids 2+. So it's a kid-friendly oil that you can diffuse at home. This one is sourced from its woods and it has a middle to base note. And it blends well with cypress. It says here, black pepper, cinnamon, rose, or vetiver. Okay, it says here that aromatherapists often use Palo Santo to support circulation when combined with massage oils. I feel that this is also very good in massage oils because it's really relaxing. And since it says here that it actually supports circulation, so that's one of the oils that you should look into. And it's great for meditation, definitely. It smells really good for meditation. It's so much more light and airy versus using grounding oils like vetiver. I would say this is more in the range of sandalwood, and sometimes sandalwood can be heavier than this. This has a lighter, airier tone into it, much like your cedarwood Atlas. Alright, so I guess that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my 2 cents about Palo Santo from Young Living and from Eden's Garden. If you have any other suggestions for me to compare, don't forget to shoot them down below through the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. If you have a bottle of Palo Santo at home, let me know how you feel about it when you take a whiff. And I hope to see you on my next video. Bye! Mm-hmm.